All right, friends, for this problem, we first have to read the clock in order to understand what's happening. So when I look at the clock on the left, it's near the 2 and it's pointing to the 4. But the shorthand is near the 2, so I know it's 2, and then it's on the 4, so I can say 5, 10, 15, 20. It's 2:20. The clock on the right side is the shorthand is between the 7 and the 8. So I know it's 7, it's not quite 8, and it's pointing to the 6, which is half past. So it's 7:30. Now what we want to do is figure out how much time has elapsed. I'm going to show you one of my favorite strategies for doing so. So first thing you're going to need is a timeline because we are dealing with elapsed time. And actually, I don't like that. I'm going to bring it up a little bit. So there we are. And we're going to label the start and the finish since we know that. So I know the time started at 2:20, and I know it's going to end at 7:30. Now, how do we figure out how much time has passed? Well, there's a strategy I like called mountains and hills. So with this strategy, I need the pointer option. Okay, there we go. With this strategy, we're going to use mountains for 1 hour, and we'll use hills for, it's really sloppy, for the minutes. Okay, and you'll see how that works right now. So I'm going to go 1 hour because I want to do mountains first. So what's 1 hour after 2:20? Well, I know 1 hour is going to give me 3:20. I'm getting very close to 7:30, but I still have more mountains to jump. All right, I'm going to go another hour, but I don't want to jump off the mountain, so I'm not going to go past 7:30. All right, there's 1 hour, there's another hour, and now it's 4:20. We're still not there yet, so we have to go another mountain. All right, so another mountain would be 5:20. Okay, we're getting closer. Another mountain would be 6:20. I wonder if I can go another hour. What's another hour? I don't want to jump too far. 6:20 would be 7:20. Yeah, I can do that. All right, 7:20 was another hour. Now, if I went one more mountain, it would give me 8:20, and that's too far. So I'm going to do a hill, and hills are for your minutes. So how many minutes from 7:20 to 7:30? Well, if I think about the clock, when you're on the 20, you're on the 4, and when you get to 30, you're on the 6, so that's 10 minutes. So the big question is, how much time has elapsed? Let's add up our mountains and our hills. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mountains. So I'm going to change my color to purple. That means it's going to be 5 hours. And how many minutes? 10. I ran out of space, but 10 minutes. So let me actually type that to make it a little bit neater. The elapsed time would be 5 hours and 10 minutes. Okay, so that's how you do elapsed.